What is a contingency in a real estate contract? A clause that allows the buyer to cancel the contract under certain conditions. What does the term mortgage insurance refer to? Insurance that protects the lender in case the borrower defaults on the loan. What is a right of first refusal in real estate? The right of a buyer to match or exceed an offer made by another party. What does the term mortgage broker refer to? A person who helps borrowers find mortgage lenders and negotiates loan terms on their behalf. What is an exclusive listing agreement? An agreement between a seller and a real estate broker, giving the broker exclusive rights to sell the property. What does the term escrow account refer to? An account held by a third party to hold funds and documents until closing.